How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get PokeMMO on iOS and Android. If you guys do not know what this is, it is a game where you get to do Pokemon classic style. We're talking old school 8-bit graphics, and you get to do it on a online game. But unfortunately, PokeMMO is mainly associated with computers, but today I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your phone. So go to zoomods.com, and this is like a website with a bunch of mods. So just type in Poke, and as you can see, it says Pokemon, or it should say PokeMMO. Let me just look for it. There it is. So we're going to press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading it. So before it downloads, there is one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process, show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. So before you actually get PokeMMO on your device, you have to do a verification, which is a one-time process where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, it says PokeMMO mod installer, please install 2 free apps. So as you can see, we got all these apps here and we only have to do 2 of them. Now bear in mind, the thing that messes most people up is they don't read the instructions. So Family Island says reach level 10, TikTok says run for 30 seconds. So just press on the app, press tap to install, it will take you to the app store, and you just have to download it and complete whatever the instructions were. So for the Family Island, I had to reach level 10. That's pretty straightforward. So anyway, guys, once you do it, you will get your modded version, so be sure to try it out. And yeah, this does work on iOS and Android, so as long as you do the verification, guys, you should get PokeMMO on your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. This is super awesome and it's totally working, guys. So yeah, peace out, bro.